Hi, I'm Jim Baker, Senior Electrical Engineer at Ventev, and today we will be unboxing Ventev's solar enclosure system and examining what is included in your kit. The solar enclosure systems are complete site kits that come with all the necessary components to deploy independently of the power grid. These kits are in stock and available to order now. The solar-powered enclosure system we will look at today is for IoT applications, operating at 15 watts, SKU 294169. What you see here is how the solar enclosure system will be delivered. The components are packaged to ensure that they are not damaged during shipping. The packaging will vary depending on the size and the quantity that you order of the solar enclosure systems. This system comes with a 50-watt, 17.4-volt DC solar module, side of pole mounting structure with assembled tilt bracket to support the 50-watt panel. This can mount to a pole up to a 3.5-inch outer diameter with the included U-bolts. A 15-foot array wire harness to wire the solar array to the enclosure. A 17.2 amp hour 12-volt sealed lead acid battery, which is maintenance free. A gray polycarbonate enclosure with hinged door, padlockable latches, and moisture vents. Ventev enclosures are all pre-wired at the factory to decrease deployment time at the site. The wiring is inspected and a quality control inspector stamps the quality control sticker. The enclosure system is then tested to ensure operation. All tested data is stored by the factory and the enclosure is assigned a serial number for traceability. Well, that's all today, folks. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to learn more about Ventev's solar-powered enclosure systems, visit ventevinfra.com today.